In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from your Google Drive trash. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure you can successfully restore those precious memories. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive, which you can access just by going to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account if you're not already signed in. This is crucial because it ensures you have the correct access to your files. After logging in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on that. The Trash folder in Google Drive is essentially your photo recovery center, housing anything you've deleted prior until it's permanently erased. Now that you're inside the Trash folder, you'll see a list of all the files and photos you've deleted. Your task is to sift through these files to locate the pictures you wish to restore. If you have a lot of files in your trash, you may want to use the search bar at the top of the page to filter by file type or name, making it easier to find what you need. Once you've found the photos you're looking to recover, click on each photo or file. When you select a file, you'll notice several options will appear near the top of your screen. You should see an icon that looks like a clock with a circular arrow, known as the Restore button. Click this button to begin the recovery process. After clicking Restore, your photos will be moved back to their original location in Google Drive. If you're not sure where that is, you can always use the search functionality in Google Drive to locate them again after restoration. Keep in mind, you have a limited time to recover files from the trash, which is typically 30 days from when they were deleted, so make sure to act promptly. Finally, it's always a good idea to double-check that your photos have been successfully restored. Navigate back to the main Drive area and look through the folders where you believe these photos were initially stored. You can also use the Recent tab on the left to quickly find your most recently accessed or modified files, including those just restored. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your deleted photos from Google Drive's trash. Remember, regularly backing up important files is a great habit to prevent future anxiety over accidental deletions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.